Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a makeup video as you can see, and this is my beautiful model. But on this makeup video there's going to be a twist. My husband is going to be doing the voiceover for the makeup video, so you guys should get ready to be entertained.
Hello my people, welcome to this evening makeover. I just got back and my wife had to force me to do this. I don't know what it is, but what is that supposed to be? Applying the white powder, I think. Makeover, right? Okay, concealer. Okay, after that, what next? All right. Okay, the cream, is that body spray on the face or facial spray or whatever? All right. What's that spray supposed to do, please? And what's that next? Okay, another color. Makeover, facial makeover, I think. Women. Wow. Okay, dusting it now. And please be careful with those eyes. If it gets into the eyes, I don't know what it's going to be, please. Wow. You guys are wonderful. Yellow purple. Please, what is this one again? What's that called? I don't know the names of all this, please. Brush. And trying to spread the yellow makeover. I think so. Wow. Yellow purple. So what's next? Babe, this is stressful. How long am I supposed to stay on this? Okay. That's the foam. You're spreading the yellow substance, and then it's making it to disappear. But okay, you have to apply to the cheek, all around the faces, surrounding the face, the head, and then you spray the perfume, facial spray. I don't know. What next? Okay. You're not touching the eyelashes rather. Okay, back with the brush. What's that? Pose with the facial brush again, with another substance which I don't know. Trying to rub on the faces. Okay. Please, how many times with these brushes, please? Okay, a concealer with another makeup brush. The yellow paper has disappeared. Will I play like joke? Wonderful job. Wow. God create women. What's next? Another brush, clearing the yellow powder. Okay, now it's more like a pencil like kind of brush, which is now bringing up a different color to the face. And you see when I get mustache, just for imaginating for happen. Okay, this is a pencil now drawing the eyelid Abi eyelid, making it bolder. Fantastic job. Try. Man. Okay. Wow. Okay. The pencil, what's that? Okay, pencil, like I pencil. They make, yeah. Has finished his job. I'm trying to redecorate. Okay. Then another facial pencil like brush, which is clearing above the eyelid. Wow, another color on top of the eyelid, below the eyelid, just above the what's this thing called again? When I remember, I'll tell you guys. Okay, that has added a different color to the eyelid, and no, I don't forget the name of this. What is it called now? The blinking section of the what people call it? What do people call it? This is eyelid. This is wow, another different color to the eyelid again. Another different pen. Yes, the same. Okay, to the other part of the eye, and then we have this different makeup box that had different colors of the makeups, which has changed the face, the eyeballs differently. Wow. Oh, this eyelash, eyelash. I was trying to remember the name. Eyelash. Oh, wow. I don't know the name of this one, please. Black container. That has another different color. I need to go to school or lessons or classes for this whole stuff because I barely know any. Like I barely know all the item names. Okay. Your face has changed. Fantastic job. Okay. I don't know the name of these, but it's another concealer, I think. Yeah, another concealer. Wow. Working on the eyelash to avoid any of the concealers. Oh yeah, entry into the eyes. Good job. A bigger facial brush, which has helped to conceal more and more of the yellow purple face cream, more like. Wow. Different brushes, which has covered completely the yellow part of the substance. No, what is that substance, just call it substance. So a different kind of facial brushes are all doing a different job in all trying to conceal, to make it a um perfect uniform makeover. Now she's adding up more like okay, another black pencil, changing the color of the eye, the lips from yellow now to black. Wow, fantastic design. You need to go to art school for this, I swear. Face has changed actually. This is beautiful. and then now garnishing it with some colored I wouldn't say it's a lipstick. It's still like a pencil like stuff, so but I don't know if it's lipstick, but I'll do more to find out for you guys. Okay, the face is finally getting back to normal. It's beginning to resemble somebody now. Wow. How many kind of colors you people have to add in one places? Ah, the baby is already blushing. Can you imagine? Ah, God of mercy. It's actually pretty. Fantastic job. Well done, guys. It's good to be part of it, though. Thank you, babe.